Hey guys, welcome to another unboxing video. Today I will be unboxing this keyboard. This is a mechanical keyboard that I bought today from Amazon. So I figured why not open this up today and show you guys what this item looks like today. Alright, so this is the box here. Just so you know, this is the front. And then here is the back. So that's pretty cool. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up now and show it to you guys what this keyboard looks like today. So here's the keyboard today, guys. Alright, so this is the front, and then here is the back. So now I'm going to go ahead and open this up today. Let's see. Ooh, look at that. That is a nice keyboard. Trying to take everything out of this box here. Okay guys, so this is the keyboard that I got today. This is pretty cool. So now let's go ahead and plug it into my computer and I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's all lit up and everything. So here's the keyboard that just came out of the box. So you know this is what the item looks like. It's pretty cool, a nice little mechanical keyboard today. Now so you know everything is all light up, and then when I press this button up here, it will change its colors or different mode style-ish. See, as you can see, it's definitely working. It's pretty cool. And it got little sparkly lights going on. That's pretty cool. So yeah, with this keyboard, all you do is just basically plug in and play, and then it works just fine. And then here's my other keyboard that I've been using. Is G9110. It's much different sizes too as well. So yeah, that's pretty cool. A little keyboard today, guys. And just so you know, I am currently playing World of Warcraft right now. So I'm pressing the WASD key. So yeah, this keyboard is definitely nice one today. So there is one more thing I want to show you guys about this keyboard. Now, when I take this keys off this keyboard, it does come off, and you can also replace them too as well. So that's pretty cool. Nice little feature to this keyboard. You get to replace all the keys onto this keyboard if you wanted to. So yeah, this is a pretty cool little keyboard today. So that's pretty much it today, guys, about this item for this keyboard. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. And I guess that's pretty much it today, and thank you for watching.